Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your laptop is stuck in the lock position and the mouse tag is not working, your keyboard is not working, and it's totally freezed. Now, in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply press and hold the power button that is used to turn on or off your system. Just simply press and hold that particular key for 10 seconds. Once you press and hold this one for about 10 seconds, you'll notice that your system will restart again. And let me press and hold it for about 10 seconds. Now you'll notice that the system has restarted, switched off. Now again press this key again and you'll notice that your system will restart, and with the quick logo reveal, and the system will restart itself, and that's definitely gonna solve your issue. If I show you once it gets started, that's just a hard reset to your system. If it's stuck in any state and all your keys are stopped working, now you can see my laptop has started as normal as it can be. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.